being coordinated universal time, of course.
Right.
Our mission really is to get why this conversion thing is so important and how to actually use MySQL's convert-z function.
Yeah, and this deep dive is actually based on a pretty helpful tutorial we looked at. We're going to pull out the key
Okay,
bits.
so let's start right at the beginning. The big why. Why store time in UTC and then convert it? I mean, why not just store the local time? Seems simpler.
Well, that's a really common question. But the thing is, storing in UTC gives you that single point of truth, that global consistency.
Okay.
Imagine you have users everywhere, right? If everyone stored their own local time, it'd be chaos trying to figure out sequences or compare events.
Right, like who did what first.
Exactly. And sometimes it's more than just confusion. Think about compliance, legal stuff, financial records, maybe medical logs. They need unambiguous timestamps. UTC provides that.
Ah, okay. The legal angle is interesting. Didn't think of that.
Yeah, it can be critical, but you're also right. For the user, they need to see their local time. That's where the conversion becomes, essential for display.
Makes sense. Storage versus display. So, okay, we store in UTC. How does MySQL actually help us make that jump to local time for the user?
MySQL has a built-in function that's pretty neat for this. Convert-z.
Convert-z. Got it.
The basic way it works is convert-z your date time from zone to zone. Pretty straightforward.
So if I had like a column named uptime and I wanted to show it to someone in India, I'd do something like select convert-z time, UTC, Asia Kolkata. Is that it?
Precisely. That'll convert it from UTC to Indian Standard Time, which is UTC plus 530.
Okay.
And it's flexible. What if you want the current time converted?
Oh, right. Like right now.
You'd use NOW for the current server time, which is often UTC anyway, and just plug it in. Select convert-z, e.g. Kolkata.
Cool. Okay, that seems powerful. But how do I know those names? Like Asia Kolkata or, I don't know, American New York? Do I just guess?
Ah, good question. No, definitely don't guess. MySQL actually keeps track of these.
Oh, it does?
There's a system table. You can just run select from MySQL time zone name.
MySQL.timezone name. Okay.
Yep, and that'll list out all the ones your server knows about. You're Berlin, Australia, Sydney, all the standard ones.
Perfect. But here's something I've definitely run into. What if you do everything right, you use that table, you get the name, the syntax looks good, and convert-tz just gives you back, it is an LL. What's happening then?
Yeah, that's the classic trap. Super common.
Right. It's frustrating.
Almost always an NUL means your MySQL time zone tables haven't actually been loaded with the definitions. The server knows the names maybe, but not the rules like daylight saving changes, offsets, all that history.
Ah, so the function exists, but the data it needs isn't there.
Exactly. You need to populate those tables. There's usually a command line tool. You run something like mysql share zone info. That path might vary a bit, and pipe the output into your MySQL client, like MySQL root B MySQL time.
My squalts info to squalal. Okay. That sounds like a one-time setup thing you might forget.
It often is. But once you do it, convert-tz should start working properly. It needs that underlying time zone data.
Got it. So bringing this all together, where does this function really shine in, the real world, like actual applications?
Oh, everywhere, really, once you deal with users or data across different locations. Think about generating reports. Sales reports for different regions need to be consistent. Or dashboards showing user activity for a global team. Logs. You need to know when something happened accurately, regardless of server location or user location.
Yeah, logs be a nightmare otherwise.
Totally. Financial transactions, scheduling systems, anytime accurate, comparable time is critical across zones. Convert-tz is likely involved somewhere behind the scenes. It makes things make sense for everyone looking at the data.
So it really takes this potentially chaotic global time thing and makes it manageable, both for storage and for the end user.
Absolutely. It looks simple, but it solves a really complex problem quite elegantly. Makes apps way more accurate and user-friendly.
It's amazing how much we rely on this kind of precise time handling without even realizing it.
It really is. It's fundamental for accurate data and just a good user experience in, our connected world. When it works, you don't notice it. When it fails, you definitely notice.
For sure. So maybe something for you, the listener, to think about. Where do you see time zones playing a crucial role in your digital life? Could be work, could be social stuff. It's kind of everywhere. Until next time.